Hello, so today I will show you how you can use your Google Colab in your laptop, in local laptop. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to your VS Code or anti-gravity or whatever your ID is there. Then install this Google Colab extension. Okay, and once it is done, then you need to go to your environment where you need to select your interpreter. Okay, mine is anti-gravity, so I'm just choosing it. So here you need to select the kernel. So once you install it, you will see the column. Okay. So once you click on this column, okay, you will be prompted to the different options like one click, new column servers or open column web. Okay. So first of all, once you are doing it for very first time, then you need to log in with your Google column. And once you are done, then feel free to connect in auto connect, and then it will pop up me which kernel I want to use. So I'll use a Python. Okay, so that's all. This is boom. Let's see. In the initial few seconds, it will try to connect between your Google Colab and your ID. Okay, once the Colab server is connected, hooray! Feel free to use the all compute power of Colab in your laptop. Thank you very much for watching this video.